Are your kids protected against sexual predators, pornography, and cyberbullies? Is your business secure from hackers, internal threats, or sexual harassment? FonSee answers these and many more questions with our powerful monitoring software. So what is FonSee? FonSee is easy-to-use monitoring software that installs in minutes and gives you complete control and insight into how a computer, tablet, or smartphone is being used. Think of us as a detective in your pocket, granting you an all-access pass into the world behind the screen. But why FonSee? We design, develop, and support all our own products in-house, offer a no-hassle installation service, and have over 150 features, more than any competitor. With FonSee, you can monitor text messages with our SMS tracker, spy on emails and popular chat applications like WhatsApp and Facebook, track GPS locations, capture keystrokes with our keylogger, listen to and record live phone calls, and so much more. We also give you access to the industry's best customer support and our money-back guarantee. In fact, we are so confident that you will love FonSee. Thanks for watching.